Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on EA.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in EA.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official EA website. Now click on the account icon at the top right corner and click on the sign in button to proceed with logging in to your account first. You will then be asked to enter your credentials. After entering your credentials, click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your account right away. After logging in, if you wish to delete your account, then you can hover over to the account menu and click on account settings. But within there, you will find no option to delete your account. Therefore, click on the question mark at the top right and then click on EA Help. You will now end up within the support page. Now from the page, just click on the Q&A bot at the bottom right corner and now you will be able to send your support question. Within the Ask Me a Question box, just type in that you wish to delete your account and then send the message by clicking on the arrow button. You will then be guided through the process by the Q&A bot in order to delete your account. Just follow these instructions and wait for a response email. Once you follow these instructions through, you will be able to delete your account on EA. And there you have it. That is how you can proceed forward in order to delete your EA account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.